I'm Dr. Srinivas Gupta. I'm a homeopathic and wellness consultant practicing in Secunderabad almost since 25 years near Paradise. So our approach is holistic approach. In our hospital, we got homeopathic treatment, nature cure treatment, acupuncture treatment, foot reflexology, and yoga. All therapies are under one roof. Along with our medicine, we also advise the patient according to the need. Suppose somebody comes with the asthma, so we give the homeopathic medicines, plus our dietitian will tell the diet, our yoga person will tell about the yoga exercises, and acupressure person will explain, and we try to help the patient as a holistic way to treat the problem as a whole. So since 2 months you are seeing the corona COVID pandemic. So many patients are asking Dr. Gupta, our uncle got mild fever, throat pain, cough and all. So many patients are coming to me, Dr. Gupta, can you do something for these problems? My uncle is having a positive problem. Doctors advised for the hospital, but we are not affordable so much money in the corporate hospitals. Do something. So I was every time I was thinking to do something research. So I done some R&D and I given the medicine to the patients. The patients are surprisingly told my fever is better, my throat pain is better, my cough is better. They are feeling much better, they told. Then slowly I am getting lot of interest with my medicine. When the patients are getting improvement is there, I put lot of focus in it. I spoke to so many doctors in India, around the world, and finally we developed a hyper immunity booster kit. This kit takes, basically it improves the immunity. It may be corona, it may be any other viral problems, it improves the immunity. We are given almost more than since 2 months, we are given more than 600 patients. We have got results of 95.5% success results are there. We have given 4 years boy, 40 years person, 70 years, even 80 years person also we are given. We got the data, all are telling that within 24 hours the symptoms are better, their general well-being is better. After 3 days they are feeling much better, they told. We are getting very good response. So now the patients told me, Dr. Gupta, in our home somebody is having positive. We use this your hyperimmunity booster kit as a prevention. So other family members did not get this problem, they told. So finally with the patients I concluded my kit is working for the positive people. Even the people who are suspected patients can take, the people who are preventive also they can take. My hyperimmunity booster kit works in 3 ways: for prevention, for suspected people, even the positive people also they are trying. They said their immunity is better, their symptoms are better, their general well-being is better. So there is no harm at all. And you may get one doubt, doctor, we are already taking some medicine for diabetes, some blood pressure, some other medicines, whether we can take along with allopathic medicines, whether we can also take your kit. Yes, definitely we can take. Only thing is we are recommending you some 10 minutes, 15 minutes time gap. This is very effective and expiry date is almost 2 years. This is not only for corona, it improves the body immunity so that any other viral problems, other problems also will be reduced. So I wanted to explain this hyperimmunity, what it containing almost 13 varieties of the medicines, homeopathic medicines. First is this kit containing Special Drops 1, this is anti-inflammatory. This will reduce the fever within 24 hours. Fever, body pains, headache and general well-being, we are recommending around 12 to 13 drops in little water. Take it once in 2 hours, once in 3 hours, depending upon the intensity of the problem. We are recommending this is called Special Drop 1. Then in this kit containing Special Drop 2. This is antiviral. With this we are recommending 15 drops twice, thrice, 4 times a day, depending upon the intensity of the problem. With this we have got a data, we got a record from so many patients. Their viral load is reduced with this antiviral drops, and their general well-being better, their comfort level also better. Many patients told me within 24 hours we can see some change, that we are feeling towards the better side. better side and we feel much better. Many told after 24 hours the taste is, I lost the sensation of the taste, I am also feeling better. Many people, because of this corona, first symptom they are getting loss of taste, loss of smell, nose block, throat pain and little cough. When the cough goes inside the lungs, then this coronavirus goes mainly towards the lungs. So everybody has to take initial stages. If we take our medicine, the problem may not go to the lungs. This is antiviral drops. This is one of the most important medicine above this kit is cough and chest congestion drops. People are getting cough, breathlessness, chest congestion. Suppose some people are getting, some people are not getting. So this we are keeping in the kit. Suppose somebody got cough, somebody got breathlessness, take 15 drops in little water, twice, thrice, or every 2 hours also they can take. They can see the results. By evening they can find the result with the cough and chest congestion drops. Even people who undergone HRCT chest also, they got Corod 4, Corod 5 also. They see that with these drops, my father's cough is better, my father's breathlessness is better, doctor. After 2 or 3 times dosage only they are better. This is excellent medicine working for the cough, breathlessness and dyspnea problem. This kit containing antiviral medicines are there. This containing homeopathic tablets. This is morning, this is afternoon 5 tablets, this is night 5 tablets. There are 3 types of medicines are there. We should not touch the medicine with the hands. With the help of cap you have to take. 3 types you should take. This kit containing most important component of the kit is antiviral drops for the steam. We are recommending 2 to 3 drops. Put it in the machine, put it in the water, take steaming. Wherever the virus is there, it will help to nullify the virus. It's very effective. It clears the nose block in 2 to 3 hours. It clears the cold, it clears the headache, it clears the nasal passages. All it will clear. Very effective is there. This kit also containing the pills containing breathlessness, dyspnea, where the persons feel like breathlessness. This will affect. This is only when the need is there you have to take. When problem is there, every half an hour they can take. Definitely the persons are feeling better. This kit, and nowadays we find many patients are telling I am getting headache, I am getting body pain, I am getting little. So I put my one research roll-on. This is a roll-on where they can have a ball in it. Wherever somebody get headache, apply and massage it. Within 2 to 3 minutes, the problem goes. Somebody is having a neck pain, somebody is having a headache, somebody having a localized pain. This will work for muscular pain. Very effective. We find the results are there within 2 to 3 minutes we can find the results. There is no side effects at all. This is pure natural homeopathic medicines. Then this kit containing reserve medicine for the loose motions, because this problem in Vijayawada we are getting different symptoms, in Delhi we are getting different symptoms. So as a precautionary I give it one reserve medicine. This is for the loose motions. Somebody get a loose motion, they should take, otherwise no. The only to keep in the home we are putting in the kit, because my kit is going different parts of the India. So this is a reserve medicine for the loose motions. And another thing is, after the corona, people are getting very weakness, tiredness. So we put in this kit called energy booster. This to be taken 5 tablets morning, 5 tablets evening for 4 or 5 days. After the main course over, we can take this kit. Then this kit containing most important thing is the nasal ghee. As per the Ministry of Health, Ayush, Government of India, they are recommending to put 2 drops of the ghee, left side 2 drops, right side 2 drops, so that virus, it will protect for the virus. The people are going outside, we are recommending 2 times, morning and evening. The people otherwise, or once you can do. Before this also, I am recommending to my patients to put nasal ghee since long time. This is helping to reduce the nose block, to reduce the cold, to reduce the sneezing, and also many patients told with the putting of the ghee 2 drops left, 2 drops right side, they said the sleep is good. And the most important, many women told Dr. Gupta, my husband was snoring before. After putting the ghee, the snoring is also better. So very good results. See, you need not put only the same ghee, whatever you are having in the home cow ghee, that also you can use it. And this kit also containing one of the most important thing is the Kada. This is also advised by the Ministry of Health. This containing black pepper, lavang, cinnamon, tulsi, all the herbs are there. We are keeping in the kit. This is very, very important. This you can take, you can add with the tea, you can add with the coffee, you can add with the with any in the water. You can also take as a tea decoction. You can add little pinch, you can boil it. Very, very effective is there. With this only, within 24 hours, your throat uncomfortable, throat irritation, other problems are much better. Along with this, in this kit we are also keeping one paper. How to use we are keeping. This will explain everything. This will explain everything, and how to use, and also general precautions all you will be knowing. And this kit in Hyderabad, many patients told Dr. Gupta, we developed the fever and cough, we are not able to come to your hospital. So we started a door delivery service. Whomever they call our call center, within 1 hour, we are trying morning till 11 o'clock, we are sending the kit to their home. If you are those who are calling from outside of Hyderabad, we are sending by courier. Along with this kit, we are also giving doctor nuts. This is our research. This kit, this nuts containing, this box containing 22 nuts, this containing Brazil nut, hazelnut, macadamia nut, almond, cashew, badam, kishmish, pistachio, so many nuts are there. This is very effective is there. I'm showing this. This we are putting 1 spoon, 2 spoons in the morning, 2 spoons in the evening. This containing almonds, this containing cashew nut, hazelnut. We are importing from different countries. So it is difficult to make 22 nuts, collecting, cleaning. So we are collecting, cleaning, keeping and giving, and we are putting an affordable price. It is available in around Hyderabad, and you can also get from our website www.drnutsandseeds.com. So it is and everybody can take. Diabetes patients can take, cancer patients can take, normal children can take, pregnancy people can take. Very healthy and very nutritious. And since few days we have started one more product. See this kada, this containing black pepper, dry ginger, all the herbs are there. Some people in children, they said we are not able to take this is a little strong. So what I have done, we have developed one crunchy munchie with the same ingredients. We developed one product called crunchy munchie. It is a healthy snack. This is no oil, nothing. We roast with all these herbs, and we are giving to along with the kit. This can be taken like a snack, along with the tea you can take, along with the coffee you can take, along with the evening snack we can take. Only if you take if you take the small piece, is clearing the throat, because you cannot eat black pepper directly. But in this, black pepper is there, dry ginger is there, all the herbs are there in this. So along with this, we also developed one thing. You all know this ginger murabba, adrak murabba. See, we have developed one product. We are also giving this containing ginger and jaggery. Only 2 things are there. We are trying to help with this. Basically, this ginger is helping as antiviral. So with this combination with ginger and jaggery, the results are good. Along with the kit, we are trying to help the patients to give this also to take. We are recommending 1 spoon in the morning, 1 spoon in the evening. It is very tasty. Even children loves, old people loves, everybody can take. Thank you.